radio station KIG86 Columbus, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Virginia, becoming northeast, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Muskie, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG86 Columbus, Ohio. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. A frontal boundary will linger across the area through the weekend. This is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for WWG57 for the central highlands of Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. The forecast.
Now I'm just waiting for KCZ 46.